Hey y'all, today we're making a delicious pulled pork sandwich. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today I will be showing you guys how to make pulled pork. I have my pork shoulder here. I have it here. We're going to be cooking it in a slow cooker because I don't have a smoker, so that's what we're going to be using to cook it. It should be quick and easy because I will be cutting my pork shoulder to make the process a little bit faster. Before I begin, if you're watching me for the first time, be sure you'll subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. Leave me a comment. How do you make pulled pork down below? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, like I told you guys, I do not have time to be cooking this thing for 8, 12, 24 hours. So what I am going to do to cut my time in half, I cut them into big chunk. I removed the bone. Yes, now I am going to make the dry rub. I'm using oregano. All the seasoning will be down below, so check that out. I will be using onion powder. Also, I will be using garlic powder with ground ginger, with dry mustard. A lot of seasoning is included in this rub, guys. I'm using cumin, cayenne pepper, chili powder, a lot of seasoning, like I told you guys. Red cayenne pepper in there as well, and salt. You definitely need salt. You can use whatever amount that you want. It's up to you. Okay, give that a quick mix just like so, and boom, you have your dry rub. Now I'm using some freshly cracked pepper in there. This is my dry rub, and yes, I did clean my pork shoulder with lime and vinegar so it's not too reddish. That's probably why. Now I'm going to add my dry rub on there. Now use a lot of dry rub, okay? A lot. There's no, oh, don't over season it. This is where you add all your dry rub. Just be very generous, okay? Just add it all over the meat just like so, and make sure you rub it in really good, and then we're going to start cooking this thing, okay? When I tell you the dry rub is so flavorful, it has lots of flavor in there, so this will definitely, look at that, well seasoned. So now what we're going to add in our slow cooker is onion, fresh garlic cloves. Okay, you can add about 2 to 3 heads of onions with about 4 cloves or 5 cloves of garlic. Chop them up and place your pork shoulder on top. Now you can cook it as is, but I went ahead and add about half a cup or 1 cup of chicken broth on there. Just cover it, don't touch it, don't do nothing, okay? Just let it cook, let it do its thing. Do not peek, okay, for literally 8 hours. Now I'm making my barbecue sauce, homemade barbecue sauce. It's butter, ketchup, dark brown sugar, W sauce with a little bit of that dry rub that I used to marinate the pork shoulder. I added minced onion, grated onion with some lime juice, as you guys can see. And now we're going to cook this on low, okay? Let it simmer. Just cook it on low, and let me tell you, this homemade barbecue sauce is absolutely the best. And yes, I did add a few dashes of the red hot sauce on there, okay? You can add cayenne pepper if you want to. It's like sweet and spicy. It's absolutely delicious. So this is it right here. We're going to let it simmer while we going to make our coleslaw. I wanted to make a separate video, but I'm like, why not just include it in today's recipe? So I'm making coleslaw right now, which is just mayo. And this recipe for coleslaw is my absolutely favorite ever, okay? When I tell you this, just trust me. So I am adding half a half a lemon juice in there. I'll be adding about a teaspoon of honey. We'll be adding some onion powder in there as well, with a little bit of garlic powder, I believe. And then, no, not garlic, take that back. Dry mustard. That was dry mustard, okay? And then I'll be adding some freshly cracked black pepper, again with the minced onion or grated onion in there. Great flavor. Try this. Come back and tell me in this video, did you like this coleslaw recipe? It's the best. Now I'm adding a little bit of sugar. You can add about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. You don't want it to be too sweet. Well, it depends on how you guys like it. Give that a quick mix just like that, and then we'll be adding our cabbage. Before we do, of course, we gotta add a little bit of salt. Always forgot to add salt. Y'all know I don't really like salt, so yeah, high blood pressure is not something to play with. But anywho, now we're going to add the cabbage and the carrot. Okay, I just chopped them up really quickly. You can cut them up smaller if you want, but it is what it is. This is what you get. So now I am just going to add my cabbage with the carrots in there and just give it a quick mix. Okay, give it a quick mix, and then we're going to cover it, place it in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours, not even, because I couldn't wait. So yeah, just give that a mix, put it in the fridge, girl. All right, looks like our pulled pork finally ready about 8 hours later. I'm very proud of myself. The smell of this thing is so delicious. Oh my God, the smell, guys. It's absolutely, the smell will fill your stomach. Okay, that's how tasty and delicious this thing smell. Okay, I did not open it at all, so that's great. And you can see how it's just falling apart already. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. Now I am going to place it in this bowl to shred the pulled pork. Now I don't like it all the way like shredded. I like to have some chunks of the pulled pork, so we're not going to shred it too much. But the onion, you can take the onion, place it on top of your sandwich. Ooh my gosh. But anywho, this is the pulled pork. As you guys can see, it's just literally pulling away by itself. It just cooks so well. So this is it right here. This is your pulled pork. Absolutely delicious. Now you can add your barbecue sauce on there and mix it together, but I just wanted to show you guys the way I was setting up building the sandwich. So that's why I didn't really add the sauce to it. Usually I do, but I didn't. Okay, so this is it right here. I like big chunks pork. I didn't make it too shredded too much. Now gotta come with the brioche bun. I love me some brioche bun. So what I am going to do is basically toast the bun the old-fashioned way. So what I'm doing is add a little bit of butter on a hot skillet and just place your bun for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then just take it out. You have the perfectly toasted bun. These are brioche bun. Y'all know I love brioche bun. So now we're going to build our sandwich, okay? Now I'm adding my pulled pork, and when I tell you this thing is absolutely delicious, just trust me, okay? Trust me. And now I'm adding the flavorful, the smoky barbecue sauce on there, just like that. And then you can add more barbecue sauce if you want. If you don't want a lot, just don't add a lot. But basically, this is my pulled pork sandwich. Add my coleslaw. Oh my gosh, guys, try this. I know it takes a long time, but the result is absolutely stunning. Place that bun on there and boom, there you have it. Hope you enjoy it. If you try it, come back, leave me a comment, let me know how you like it. I guarantee you will love this sandwich. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please give the video a thumbs up if it was really delicious looking, and I will see you guys on my next one. Okay guys, the food is finally done after what, 8 hours? So here is the sandwich that I made. I'm going to try it. I'm excited. I haven't tasted yet, so I'm excited to try it. Here it is. Take a good look at it. It looks absolutely delicious. So let's give it a try. It's so flavorful, guys. Oh my god. It's falling apart. Absolutely delicious. The homemade barbecue sauce on point. Coleslaw A1. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, let me know down below, are you guys going to try this pulled pork recipe? Because this one is a winner. Give it a try, let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below, like I said in the beginning of the video. Have you ever made pulled pork? So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like the video for me, and I will see you guys in a new video